A sign on brickwork has the text, Ball State University. Different buildings are featured.
If you live in Kinghorn, Park, DeHority, Studebaker East, or Botsford, Swinford, and you wish to loft your bed, this is the video for you.
Dorm rooms feature lofted beds.
The first thing you will need in order to loft your bed is a mallet, which you can check out from your front desk.
A person sitting at a front desk hands a mallet off to another person. Two people remove a rolling dresser from under a bed.
You must first remove all furniture from under the bed. Before you begin rising or lowering your bed, you must first remove the mattress and place it out of the way.
The two people remove a mattress from the bed.
Next, take the mallet you got from the front desk and tap out the bar connecting your bedposts together.
One of the people uses the mallet to tap out a dark metal bar that connects wooden bedposts. They pull the bar away from the bedposts and push the bedposts away.
Use the mallet again to tap out all four corners of the bed frame from the posts.
One of the people holds onto the bed frame as the other person uses the mallet to tap out all four corners of the bed frame from the posts. The two people place the bed frame at a lower height on the bedpost than the bed frame previously was.
Lower or raise the bed to a height that is most suitable for you.
The bed frame has been inserted into the bedposts.
Then, replace the bar between the two posts and the bed frame.
One of the people replaces the bar between bedposts on the back, two posts against the wall of the dorm room, lower than the bed frame. The two people put the mattress on the bed frame.
Finally, you can add the mattress and arrange your furniture however you'd like.
Logo, Ball State University. Text, Housing and Residence Life. For help with lofting your bed, visit your hall desk or place a maintenance work order at bsu.edu/fixmyhome. Housing plus social media. Logo, Ball State University. Text, Housing and Residence Life.